Okay, so we're at Hua Hin train station right here, Hua Hin, and the train's going to take off in a few minutes, and then it's going to be going all the way down towards southern Thailand, Prachuapkhirikan and beyond. So and here's the train station right here. So I'm going to kind of walk around and try to capture a little bit of it. 2023, COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok, so stay tuned and check it all out. Hua Hin station, so we're just going to walk out, try to capture the sign of Hua Hin right there, and then we have the train. We just see maybe we can try to capture this down. I think it's going to be going any minute. It's funny too how you can you get your ticket, but then you can come here without a ticket as well. So yeah, we're in Hua Hin after maybe you're watching some of the videos of Prachuapkhirikan, and look at this Victorian looking building. That's pretty cool. Hua Hin. So let's kind of go out a little bit. We'll try to capture this beautiful building, this Hua Hin. Oh, it's for handicap. It's funny how you can just go in and out like that. That's the main station right over there, so we're just going to walk through. There we go. Hua Hin. Let's kind of browse through real quick. Okay. Hua Hin station. Right there. There's the train lines right there. I think what we're going to do is we're going to walk down a little bit. There's some old trains right across the street right there. We're going to walk into the station again. Let's see how we can do this. We'll try to walk down a little bit. So we could actually walk right into that, so I think we'll do that. Ooh, that's a pretty big rat right there. That's huge. There we go. Number one coffee, Hua Hin. See if you can see Randy or not. สถานีหัวหินในนามของการรถไฟแห่งประเทศไทยขอขอบคุณผู้โดยสารทุกท่านที่ใช้รถไฟเป็นยานพาหนะในการเดินทางและหวังเป็นอย่างยิ่งว่าการรถไฟจะมีโอกาสได้รับใช้หน้าที่อีกครั้งครับ There goes the train. All the way down, Hua Hin. So they're all going south towards Prachuapkhirikan and beyond. Yeah, one thing I noticed too, there's a lot more, like southern Thailand has more Islam, so there's more of a Muslim presence and different people. More headscarves. Pretty cool. Maybe coming down from Bangkok. There we go. Hua Hin. Beautiful place. So another little element of Thailand. You can see the Hua Hin train station. Nice. Pretty cool. Left luggage. So the station master rings the bell right here for the train to leave. It's kind of cool. Where's that other guy? There we go. Okay. So we're gonna head on out of the train station and we're gonna go into the town a little bit. It's getting a little bit late. Go across the street and into the town a little bit, just slightly. We got some old trains right there. Check out that tree, wow. That tree is amazing. So we're gonna go into Hua Hin. Tree, wow. Okay, so we'll just walk into the city. And basically that goes all the way down, so that goes directly down to the ocean. We also have all these little businesses all the way down as well. We are going to try to go across.
Oh, well then let's stay here and drink this and then...
Oh, we got the fire station right over there as well, so Hua Hin fire station. These eyes are everywhere in Hua Hin. So there's an artist that paints, draws, creates the eyes. So anyways, that's Hua Hin train station and we're basically walking towards the city. And maybe we'll just capture a few other things along the way. The fire station, minivans, Golf Inn Hotel, and all kinds of other stuff as well. And there's the railway station right there. So railway station straight ahead. So this is ended right there. And that's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand. So keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.